So this is where the road is, and that's that clearing that they looks like they cut for a house to be put here. However, I'm gonna go back a little bit further. This would be the cheapest place to put a house because everything will be right here. But we'll just have them run the power line a couple of 100 feet back further and it'll be fine. I mean, it wouldn't be bad to put it here either. This opening is nice and big. Leaves are nice. Not obviously haven't been soaking in water, so there's been no standing water anywhere that we could see. Walk down this path here. There's a little clearing right here. Comes back around here. Oh, sorry, I was up in the sky. You can almost see the clearing back here. Right to this corridor of trees. Gotta walk quickly. And then this would be right here. Right in here maybe. Where Frank is running around like a crazy dog. The path goes that way, path goes that way. There's paths all over the place in here. So, anyway. Ta-da! Oh, there's your brother down there.